Okay, so let's open some Star Wars Kinder Surprise eggs. Let's go! We got Star Wars. Okay, what do we got here? What's inside? Do, 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 do. It's R2-D2 escaping. There he is, this is great. Can you see R2-D2 there? That's what we're going to make. Okay. How good is that? That's so cool. That's so cool. Right. Whoa, perfect. Oh, amazing. Now, can you see any pictures there? No? Well, how about now? Let's focus this. That's clever. All right. Oh, I'm excited. What's this? Oh, wow. It's Chewbacca. In a plane. Whoa, just like R2-D2. Let's put him down by R2-D2. There they are. Okay, another Star Wars. And we've got some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles to do as well. Okay. What's in this one? Whoa. Could it be what I think it is? It's gonna be a stormtrooper. And there he is. Wow. Okay, are you going down there? No. Gonna put you there. Alright, what's this one now? Another Star Wars. Oh, what could it be? What could it be in this one? Oh, it's another reader. Alright, let's do a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one. Here we go. Oh yeah, awesome. Awesome. And what's this one? Another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Alright. Yay, another one. Yay, that's awesome. So cool. Now remember to keep subscribing because we keep putting up new videos. See you soon.